If you had $1,000 to invest in crypto, what would you do? In this video, we will share exactly how we would invest $1,000 step by step. Crypto is one of the most exciting opportunities of our lifetime, but it is also risky. That is why we are dividing our portfolio into 3 layers: a strong foundation, a growth layer, and a high-risk, high-reward layer. The first and biggest part of our portfolio goes to Bitcoin. We would invest $500 or 50% of the $1,000 into BTC. Bitcoin is the most secure and most widely recognized cryptocurrency in the world. Institutions are adopting it, governments are buying it, and ETFs are bringing it to traditional investors. Supply is limited while demand is growing from Wall Street, corporations, funds, and even countries. This imbalance pushes the price higher over time. Bitcoin is called digital gold for a reason. With halvings making it scarcer every 4 years, it gives our portfolio the strongest possible base. Next comes Ethereum. We would allocate $250 or 25% of our portfolio into Ethereum. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the digital economy. It powers decentralized finance, NFTs, stablecoins, and applications used by millions. Ethereum pioneered smart contracts, and today it is the platform where banks, corporations, and startups are building the future. Real-world assets like real estate and bonds are being tokenized on Ethereum, and billions of dollars flow through its ecosystem every single day. With Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base, Ethereum is becoming faster and cheaper to use. Every transaction burns ETH, making it more scarce over time. That is why Ethereum is the backbone of the decentralized economy. Now let us talk about Solana. We would put $100 or 10% of the portfolio into Solana. Solana is fast, cheap, and built for mass adoption. Transactions settle in seconds for fractions of a cent, making it one of the most user-friendly blockchains. Solana is also leading in real-world asset tokenization. Real estate, bonds, and stocks are moving on-chain, and Solana is quickly becoming the go-to platform for this trend. By the way, tell us in the comments, would you rather invest in XRP or Solana for the long term? Developers are also building DeFi, games, and social apps on Solana. Think of it as the Apple of blockchains: smooth, fast, and designed for the user. That leaves us with $150, or 15% of the portfolio, for higher risk and higher reward bets. This is where we take calculated shots at sectors with explosive potential. We would split this into 2 major trends. The first are AI cryptos. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, but it is controlled by a few tech giants. AI crypto projects aim to decentralize this power, letting anyone contribute resources, data, or models while being rewarded on the blockchain. Here it is worth mentioning coins such as Chainlink, Story, and Bitcoin. These projects are building the infrastructure and networks that could define the next era of decentralized AI. The second is real-world assets. By 2030, analysts expect trillions of dollars worth of assets, from real estate to government bonds, to be tokenized on-chain. Imagine buying a fraction of a skyscraper or trading bonds directly on your phone. This is what RWA projects are building, and leaders in this sector such as Chainlink, Avalanche, and Stellar could grow massively as adoption increases. These investments are risky, which is why we keep them small, but the upside could be life-changing. How would you invest $1,000 in crypto today? Share your strategy in the comments.